Namaste, this is Yamalika and today's video is the 13th episode of the Mahabharata. In the previous episode, we discussed that Lord Agni presented Arjuna with a magnificent bow named the Gandiva. He also presented Arjuna with a wide, magnificent chariot with 4 horses, and it had a flag on it with an emblem of Lord Hanuman. He then presented Lord Krishna with the Sudarshan Chakra, and he told Krishna, "This Sudarshan Chakra is the most powerful weapon, and you have been taking it from births and rebirths. I have been protecting it as a matter of trust. Now I will devour this forest, and you must protect me from any rain." Then he started burning the Kandava forest. That sound of the burning of trees could be heard miles and miles away. Then Lord Indra was very furious at seeing his son Arjuna taking the side of Agni. Nevertheless, he sent his 2 rainstorms at the Kandava forest. In just then, Arjuna released a blanket of arrows which surrounded the Kandava forest, and not letting one single drop of rain to fall on the Kandava forest. But as the raindrops were becoming heavier, they just spilled on the forest. Then Arjuna got angry and released a big fire in which all the gods of the heaven were astonished. Then all the gods took the side of Indra. There was Skanda, the god of war, on his peacock and his 6 faces staring unwaveringly at Arjuna. And there was Lord Yama astride on his buffalo. There was Varuna, the god of the oceans, on his fish. There were all the gods, including Surya, who was a friend of Agni. And together they started to pour their weapons on Arjuna. But Arjuna did not defeat them. He just protected the Kandava forest, making sure that he did not harm any god. Indeed, Lord Indra secretly was very happy at seeing the display of arts made by Arjuna. After that battle, Lord Indra came down to the earth and said, "My dear son, you have pleased me a lot. Tell me, which boon do you want? I will grant it." Then Arjuna excitedly begged for the store of the weapons. Then Arjuna said, that means that Indra said to Arjuna, "My dear son, I will give you all my weapons only after Lord Shiva has given you his Pashupatra." And he left. Still, the Kandava forest was burning ragingly. Unfortunately for Arjuna, the snake Takshaka had not been there, and only his wife and son were there. His wife hissed out angrily at Arjuna. Arjuna threw 3 arrows at her and killed her. As she was dying, she saw her son escaping the fire and felt relieved that she had done her duty. So shortly thereafter, there was a cry from the Kandava forest, and out came from it, running, the Asura Maya, who had hidden there. He then begged the pardon of Lord Krishna and Arjuna. As Lord Krishna was about to send his Sudarshan Chakra at the Asura Maya, Arjuna said, "Wait, my dear friend, let me give him a chance." And so Lord Krishna forgive that Asura. Maya Asura was very pleased with Arjuna that he wanted to do something very great for him. So he built a magnificent palace which was called as Mayasabha, as Maya the Asura was the architect for it. It was so magnificent and it had many illusions in it. Shortly thereafter, the Pandavas shifted to that palace. All the kings had got to know about the beauty of the Mayasabha, and many kings from different kingdoms had arrived to see that palace. But not the Kauravas, even though they were invited. The Mayasabha had such illusions that there was a flower carpet, and when we thought there were some blooming flowers and went near it, we would just find out it was the texture of tiles. And when we thought there was a big marble pool, we would just find out that it was the tile format. Slowly, that beauty of the Mayasabha reached Hastinapura, and the Kauravas started to envy it and thought they must go and see the Mayasabha. Meanwhile, Draupadi had got 5 sons, each of the Pandavas. Yudhishthira's sons were named as Prativindya, and Bhima's son was named as Sutasoma. Arjuna's son was named as Sutakarman, and Nakula's son was named as Satinika by Kunti, and Sahadeva's son was named as Srutasena, and Draupadi was delighted. So, I will tell you next what will happen in my next episode. If you really like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.